Hi everyone. So I'm recording this video so that later if I have any doubts so that I can come back and see this. So today we are going to learn about shared responsibility model in AWS. Which today we're going to learn about what? Shared responsibility model in AWS cloud, which is required for to have a knowledge or to gain knowledge about AWS security. So there, like before jumping to the responsibility model, we should first know about two types of services in AWS. One is managed service, and another one is unmanaged unmanaged service. So what is managed service? Managed service are like RDS, DynamoDB, which are like completely maintained by the AWS. AWS. It is not the responsibility of the customer to update the patch, fix if there's some any bugs or any antivirus or anything that related to the infrastructure or any other problems. Those things are completely maintained by the AWS. And while if refresh, and in unmanaged service, it is the complete responsibility of the user, that is customer of this AWS service, to manage everything, like updating their OS, updating their antivirus, then to see for how much time they are keep their instances running, what is the cost and all. Everything has to be managed by the like the customer only. So one example of unmanaged services is EC2 instance. You guys know about EC2 instance? If not, we'll cover it later. So first of all, unmanaged service, it will come like RDS, it is relational database system, and DynamoDB. So now that we know that there are two services in AWS cloud, let's go for the responsibility type of the AWS for security purposes. So there are two responsibility type. One is security in the cloud, and another is security of the cloud. Now what is in the cloud? In the cloud is like security groups, like if you are creating some groups, you should manage their password security requirement, like the type of the password, criteria of the passwords and all. Then you also need to manage the like refresh the SCL access allow control list, or those also comes under the in the cloud. And then public and private instances, public and private instances, like those whatever that ways or whatever the things you need to keep it in public should be in public, and whatever things should be in private, it has to be in private. And then if we give one more example in the cloud, it's like security, antivirus. So you need to regularly update the antivirus. Suppose antivirus on EC2 instances. So these are comes under in the cloud. So this is the responsibility of the customer only can, like customer should manage it. And if we come to the next, security of the cloud. So in the of the cloud thing, it will come like physical hardware. So the security of the physical hardware, like the data centers in their storage drives and disks, those things need to be secured physically by the AWS. Then other like security of the managed services. Just now we have covered what is managed services, RDS, DynamoDB. Those things need to be managed by the AWS. So if we write it down here, security of managed services. So this comes, this physical hardware and physical security of data center, security of managed services comes under of the cloud, and this is the responsibility of the AWS. And in the cloud, these things are comes, and these are the responsibilities of the customer. So that's it for today. So today we learn about shared responsibility model. Thank you.